TSWC is not a code, but TSWC is a statutory body that works for women's rights and women's safety. If women facing any issues like workspace harassment, domestic and mental harassment, dowry related issues, any threats, abuse, or anything you are facing at workspace or with the employers, you can report it here. But it is not a code and this is for awareness only. You can approach TSWC if you are facing any issue. As a woman, women should not be sit silent, because as women are equal in all the things. You're not alone. There is a support exists in this Telangana state.